Previous videos in this series have introduced the idea of using locally found teaching and learning resources. We have also highlighted how an activity-based, interactive approach to teaching and learning can make a lesson more engaging to the learners than a traditional teacher-centric lesson. In this video, we will show an example of a lesson that uses both approaches. Billy is planning an activity-based lesson using locally sourced and found learning resources for a grade 7 integrated science lesson. This lesson is on different kinds of fruits and seeds and how seeds are dispersed or spread. Billy will use the grade 7 integrated science textbook as the basis for his lesson planning. But most importantly, he has to think about the activities that he is going to design for his learners and about the resources that the learners will use for this lesson. Planning and preparation complete, Billy is now ready for class. First, Billy will start by briefly recapping the last integrated science lesson in which the learners identified the parts of a flowering plant and their functions and also studied pollination and fertilization of flowering plants. For this, he will need the labeled drawing of a section through a flower showing the female parts on the chart which he drew for the last session. Although it is the dry season, he will look to see if he can find a flower or two on his way to school as well. For this lesson, Billy will also take some fruits to school. Some of the fruit which Billy will use in this lesson he brought from home and some he bought at the local market on his way to school in the morning.